Hi, welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread. Quick update on the cloche experiment with the dwarf French beans. We've actually finally got some rain, so let's go and show how these are getting on. Showed you in the, was it May tour video, how things were getting along, so another 3 or 4 weeks. Let's see how things are doing. Well, as you can see, the cloche is absolutely full to the brim with these French bean plants. Absolutely confirms that this has really provided lots of protection over some of those cold spells we've had. And you can see the difference between the ones that were not under cloches. I actually just put together a little simple A-frame cloche using some bamboo canes and single sheets of the horticultural glass, just to try and see if we can get those ones to come on again. But yeah, those are much smaller on the outside than these. I'll take the cloche off in a second so you can see how they're actually doing. And we've got those ones over there, which you can see again, very small, little, not as advanced as these ones that have been protected under the cloche. Little pause in the rain on the video just to say thank you for watching. If you like these updates and these little test videos with some experiments on things like the cloches and the French beans, then do give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, don't forget to pop down in the comments below. So as you can see, these are much more developed than the ones that were on the outside. They're all a good, what, 12 to 18 inches tall, and they're even now starting to flower, so really impressed with this. Just the one cloche, we've got about how many 10 or so plants. I have to stake that one, he's a bit droopy, so give them a water now that we've got the cloche off. But they're great. Possibly a little bit of maybe frost damage on some of them, or maybe a little bit of maybe even heat burn perhaps. I don't know. If we have had some very hot weather. So yeah, quite impressed with that. Really pleased with how they've come. Some are a bit more advanced than others. It's a couple of different varieties, so yeah, pretty good. So those cloches have really made the difference. There's a little, there we go, we've got the little tomato plant down there, so we'll let him carry on. A little volunteer next to him actually, give them a weed. So that's homemade compost, that. So yeah, really impressed, very happy with that. Really looking forward to doing that next year. Might do it in the open ground. So from a somewhat damp Lane Heads, thanks for watching today. Really can't complain. We've had no rain for all spring, so this will really do the plants the world of good. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. If you liked it, don't forget, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, like I said, do comment below. If you'd like to be notified the next time we have a video, don't forget to press subscribe. So see you next time. Bye.